it going? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Toeside Railstand. That's right, Toeside Railstand.
Alright, so I'm goofy position. You have your feet over the bolts, toes a little bit over the board, and you try to lean your feet over and roll it forward, kind of like a Casanova flip. And if you lean and roll it too far, your board rolls over. You gotta do it just a tiny bit, land, and then flick the board back and jump up. So as you can see here, toes are just a tiny bit over, and if you roll too hard, your board flips over. You gotta roll just a tiny bit, and you land on it. Try to keep your feet flat, and then flick back and land. Here's another angle. As you can see, my toes are just a bit over, and you try to flick it forward with your feet, and then you can actually roll backwards too if you want to do it the cheap way. So there you go, flick it forward and flick it back and jump up at the same time is actually the best way to land it. You can either roll backwards or flick and jump. The best way is to flick and jump. So here's another angle. See, there's the roll back. So this is a prime example of how you're not supposed to land it, but if you're just learning, you can do this. Basically, you just lean back and let the board roll until you actually land on the board. Best way, though, is to actually flick it back with your feet while jumping up in the air a tiny bit. So yeah, that's basically the Toeside Railstand. It's a really awesome trick. Here you go. See, roll forward, land, and then flick back lightly with the feet while jumping up and then landing solid. It's a very easy trick once you get it. It is an awesome trick to do. It's one of the freestyle fundamentals tricks that you gotta actually learn to do, because then you can actually do other rail stall tricks, kick flips into them, different flips out of them, and it looks really, really cool. And you know, who doesn't like looking like Rodney Mullen in a skate park doing rail stalls and stuff like that? So here's the Toeside Railstand for all of you, and I hope this helps you guys. So yeah, practice your Toeside Railstands and master them and be like Rodney Mullen.
So that's how you do the Toeside Railstand. That's right, Toeside Railstand. Next freestyle trick tip that I'll be doing will probably be the hillside railstand. And once you learn the railstands, you do flips out, flip into railstand, all sorts of different combinations, so it's super rad. You all know what to do. Give this video a like, comment down below, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Hey there, everyone. So I'm going to teach you how to do the Toeside Railstand.